The order details page is a pretty neat place because there's a lot going on and a lot of changes that can be made, as you know, I'm sure, within print on demand. A lot of times when orders come in, there could be changes to sizes, to colors, shipping could change. There's a lot of different variables that could change, and we need to know all of that information. We need to understand what's going on, and we need to connect with the production partner really well. So on this page, this is actually a shipped order, and we can see a lot of different things. One is we can see the shipping info here. We know exactly the shipping label, and also, as your user, they can see, what their customer paid, what the fulfillment cost, what the shipping cost was, and then also their profit. So they have that there, and they can also see every point in the process of what's happening. Now, this one was a test order, so we don't see the actual printing, but normally it would see batched and then printed and then quality control passed. And then down here at the bottom, we can see that the order was shipped and what time it was shipped. So we have a lot of the order history, timestamps for each order, understanding of where it's at in the process, and just a lot of information for both you and for your customer to understand what's happening to that order. Now, another cool thing is, so we'll go to an unshipped one real quick. So this one here is unshipped. It's actually the same order. And in this case, we have a couple different things that we can do. And we can change the shipping to, let's say we want to do a priority. And it'll actually show us what the cost, the updated cost will be for priority. So it's going to cost us $8.41 for that. And then we can confirm it, or we don't have to as well. We can actually edit this item. We can change the color, the size, the print file, any part of this item in the order we can change. And this comes in handy a lot because, as let's say, if you're in the platform plan and you have users, they can make all those changes without you having to go in and do that manually. And it just saves a lot of time and back and forth, and the production doesn't have to get involved with it. So once it's batched and it's taken into production, they can't make those changes anymore, and those orders can get shipped out correctly. And so this page is where all of that magic happens, and it just saves, like I said, saves production, saves you a lot of time, and helps you to see that information really easily and quickly as the customer, and just great all around for both you and for your customer.